EQE 350 for Matic Business Class. The details suggest an electric engine with 215 kilowatts, 292 HP power, 765 Newton-meters torque, 6.6 seconds acceleration from 0 to 62 miles per hour, and the top speed of 130 miles per hour. If you're looking for a vehicle that offers environmental friendliness, smooth power delivery, and impressive torque, the electric option would be a good decision. The EQE SUV incorporates advanced lithium-ion battery technology, featuring 10 cell modules that provide a remarkable usable energy content of up to 90 kilowatt-hours. This innovation significantly enhances performance, efficiency, and charging capabilities, setting new standards in the electric vehicle market. Transparent bonnet. This feature essentially provides a transparent view of the bonnet, using camera images, aiding drivers in navigating rough terrain by displaying obstacles and helping to select the best driving path. AGPA fine dust filter efficiently diminishes air pollution, while the energizing Air Control Plus system continuously monitors both indoor and outdoor air. MBUX Voice Assistant. Experience the effortless convenience of the intelligent MBUX Voice Assistant. Simply utter the keyword "Hey Mercedes" to activate voice input, eliminating the need for fixed commands. Seamlessly navigate through requests such as navigation, automatic climate control, or changing radio stations with ease. In-car office. With the in-car office feature, staying productive and informed while on the road is effortless, thanks to its read aloud functionality for emails, ability to create emails and calendar entries through voice commands, and automatic reminders for telephone conferences with built-in dialing capabilities, allowing you to focus entirely on your journey while still managing your work effectively. To increase the electric range, the electric motors of the EQE SUV can convert kinetic energy into electric energy recuperation. The steering wheel shift paddles can be used to select between different recuperation levels and driving modes that define the level of energy recovery. Through intelligent integration of camera and map data, the optional traffic sign assist not only detects speed limits or overtaking bans, but also reacts to red lights, stop signs, and no entry signs, providing warnings as needed. Pre-safe impulse side. To modify the pre-safe impulse side system to further enhance safety measures. One potential enhancement could be incorporating advanced sensors and AI algorithms to anticipate side impacts more accurately. Rear axle steering provides superior road holding, increased agility, and better maneuverability by allowing the rear wheels to steer in the opposite or same direction as the front wheels, depending on the speed